Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started to our main point about the video today, I just want to ask you for a favor. Um, my daughter, she's doing YouTube too, and she been doing for a few months already, and she only have 27 subscriber, and she been very down lately because she's trying to get her reach her goal of 100 subscriber. So for being a very supported parent like me, I would ask if you can go to my video description. There's a link to her channel in there. So can you please go in there and um, subscribe to her channel so she can reach to her 100 subscriber goal. So that would be very great if you can do that. I very appreciate it. So now get to the main point. So the main point today is make sure you get your favorite drink. Yep, this is big. My favorite team. And today we're gonna talk about this right here. So this is the Autel 808. Like I said, you've been seeing me doing video of this for a while. It's been 3 years already since I owned that. This thing is like my first love of a car scanner. That's the first unit that I bought. And usually it come with only 1 year of software update, and now it's 3 year already. So there's been 2 year. The software have been expired for 2 year already. Now this video is for those people that thinking about worry about buying a scanner, and you worry about if what happened after a few years of you don't have any software update because software the subscription is expired. So let me set this up to my car, and we're gonna do a scan and see how well this thing still perform after 2 year of software expire. So give me a second, let me set up everything, and we're gonna go on from there. So okay, you guys, I have set up to my car, and the engine's running right now. As you can see, the message right here is that your software subscription expire. So like I said, this software have been expired for 2 years already. Okay, so let's cancel that. Okay, you guys, so as you can see right here, they have 81 software that need to be updated. um like I said, this thing have software have been expired 2 years already. So let's go ahead and do a diagnostic and see if it's still working. Toyota, that look like it's right. So other, without smart key, that look like it's good. So what I like about this unit is they have the battery voltage right here, so you know if your alternator is working or not. Like I said, this is a 2 year software expire already, so we see how if it still work like as it was new when I first purchased it. So let's do a diagnostic auto scan. So let them scan. So as you can see, it's still scanning really quick. So look like it's still doing its job. So everything look like it's good, as you can see. So right now we have 2 engine fault. So let's go to it. Go OK. Let me see the trouble code. So trouble code here 1604. That's not a big deal. This thing has happened to all the Toyota. Usually if you start up really slow, or sometimes it's something that related to startup, it will trigger this code. But it's not a big deal. It's just a common code. So if you have that, don't worry about it. So let's go to live data and see how to do with the live data. So as you can see, all the live data is up and running, running really quick. As you can see, you got the let's try and do graph. Okay, let's try and do some graph. Okay, so as you can see, the graph still work beautifully as it should. So everything still look really nice, and everything look like it's working smoothly as it should. So let's go back. Let's see what active test they have. Activating vacuum pump. All this. Okay, let's go to some. Okay, let's go to the tire pressure monitor right here. So you how it is. Okay, so live data. So look like all 4 of them are good, as you can see. So there's no faulty in here or anything like that. Look like it recognized all 4 tire sensor. Let's go back. So let's go to the main body. Okay, active test. Okay, so vehicle horn. Let's try the vehicle horn. Just test it out, see if it work or not. Okay, vehicle horn. Okay, go okay. And all data. Okay, as you can see, now the vehicle horn is off. Let's try and switch it on and see how it go. Okay, so vehicle horn is off. You're trying to go on and see if you hear the horn. And off. As you can see, it's working. The active test is working as it should. So that's just a little preview and see if this thing is working or not. So as you can see, it does work really well. So give me a second, let me put the camera back in the right place and then clean all this up, and we talk some more. So as you can see, the Autel 808 still working at like it was new after 2 years of software expired. So what we learned today is the unit still work after the software expire. So what I can tell you is if you bought one of this and you are hesitated about the software update and you worry that's not going to work, so as this video show, it does work after the software expire. So my conclusion is, if you getting this and then if you only work for use it for your car at home only, since you're not gonna purchase anything new, or then you don't have to worry about the software update, because it's just a waste of money to get the latest update. So the only thing is good if you're not a DIY, or if you work at as a technician, as a auto repair shop, then you see new vehicle coming in all the time, and I guess is the only good thing if you have the latest software. But if you at home, you doing just your car, so there's no need to get a software update or a subscription after the software expire. So the only thing you probably need it if you bought a new car, then you probably need, and then by that time, then you probably want to get the renew your subscription so you can get the latest software for that car. Since they don't have the new software for the new car yet, if your software is already expired. So that's the only reason why you want to get a yearly subscription of the software. Other than that, if you still have the same car for 5 or 6 years or 10 years, there's no need to waste money in trying to get a new software update, because basically you're just gonna waste your money by getting nothing. So software, the old software is still working, as you see I show you. So there's no need to worry about getting a new software. And as you can see, this unit have been with me for 3 years already. I haven't used this thing for like almost 6 months, and as you can see, turn on, it works just as it's new. I have no problem with the battery, no problem with anything else. It's running as it should, so everything is good. So I would expect this thing, if I continue to keep my old vehicle, I expect this thing to continue working until I replace to a brand new vehicle, which is, I'm not going to do that anytime soon. So that's my conclusion for this. Hopefully you find some reassure of what this software update thing is, and hopefully you understand a little bit more that it doesn't matter you have a software update or not. Your vehicle, this scan tool, the Autel scan tool, will continue to work as it should. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I also have the link for this scan tool on my video description. If you want to get one, just go ahead and check out my video description. That's it for this video, and I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.